Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can go to the next line in the same cell of a Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Sheets file and I'm going to go to the next line in the same cell. I'm going to select the cell guys and I'm going to type in something in the cell. Okay, for example, I'm just going to type in hello, and if we want to go to the next line, we can press Alt plus Enter. You can press the Alt and Enter on your keyboard at the same time, like this. Okay, as you can see guys, that I have moved to the second line. Okay, and I'm going to practice it one more time. Press Alt and Enter at the same time. Okay, now it's done. That's easy, right? You just need to use your Alt key and Enter key on your keyboard. Okay guys, and that's all the way to go to the next line in the same cell of a Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!